Hi guys, just wanted to give a brief update on my fender brace. The epoxy repair on the weld hole in the fender brace is doing really well and fully dry now, so wanted to show you guys a minute. There we are. Slopped in the epoxy. There's the front side of the brace. As you might remember, it's got the rust preventative coating, which made it that black color, and then the gray is the JB Weld. On the back side, we've got good coverage with the little repair brackets and then the epoxy all through it. You know, this brace is strong in those areas where it didn't have the rust hole. I mean, like even up here, I nicked this area of the fender brace right here, and you know, who cares? It's very strong, so I might weld that up if I have the welder out anyways, but if I don't, who cares? All right, guys, I'm out. Have a good one.